welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, hello, my name is Estela, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be unbagging my February Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I do have the plus one. If you are new, I do have the plus one. And yeah, so what I do, I'm going to go ahead and open the bag, get everything out, and show you guys what I got. So if you guys don't know, Ipsy, they have 3 different memberships now. They have the regular one for $10 a month, where you get sample size, and then the $24 a month, which is the one that I have, the Glam Plus, and you get 5 full-size products a month. They do let you pick 3 other products, which I really love. Sorry. And yeah, they just came out with the new membership. I think it's called Ultimate or something like that, but that's like so how that one works is, I think you still pay $20 a month, but every other month or every 3 months or something, they charge you $30 extra, because the value size of those products are like, I think over 300 or something. I'm not sure, but I did not sign up for that one, and I don't think I'm going to, just because I am satisfied with the Glam Bag Plus membership. And yeah, and I don't make that kind of money to be paying extra $30 a month, like, no. Okay, so I'm gonna be unbagging this month's bag. Do you guys like my wig? How do I look with bangs? Should I do bangs, or should I just leave it for the wig? I don't know. I like it. The good thing about this wig though, since it did cover my forehead, I didn't have to do my eyebrows, and I didn't have to put any makeup on my forehead. So my forehead is makeup free. But yeah, I did get this wig. I got this color, and then I got a gray one, and then I got a green one, but that's a different color. I think that has bangs, so I'm not sure. But yeah, I used to have bangs a lot since I was little, all the way to high school. And after high school, I chopped them off. I was like, no more bangs, please. But I don't know, it's been a couple years that I haven't had bangs, and I'm liking this wig, but it might just be the wig. Like, I think if I grew out my bangs again, I would not like it. But I don't know. Okay, I'm blabbering. Okay, so this is this month's bag. Super cute, red with gold lips on it. At first they used to send you the price points of the products with the little card, but not anymore. But I do put it on the screen, so if you guys want to know the retail price, I will put it on the screen. I forgot what the value price, the whole value of this month, but I will add it up and add it at the end. And it'll come with a little card. I don't really read it. Sometimes I do, not all the time. Okay, so starting off. Oh, before I get into it, so one of the products that I picked and I really wanted to try was the Anastasia's newer foundation. I think it was the glow one, the one that comes in a pump. So I picked it, and then when I got my bag, I did not get the foundation, so I did send them an email, and they apologized, but they said that it was already out of stock, so they couldn't send it to me. And I was like, what the fuck? So they did refund me $5 back, and they added 600 extra points to my account to redeem, which I thought that was nice. You know, thank you, you know, for taking care of the problem. But I really wanted to try the foundation, and it's like, it retails to almost $40, and I was like so excited to try. And it was a full, everything in the Glam Bag Plus is full size, so keep that in mind. So I was really disappointed, but maybe it wasn't meant to be, I don't know. So that's one of the products that I was supposed to get this month and I didn't get, and I am disappointed, but life goes on. But it is the 3rd time that Ipsy actually forgets one of my products. The first product was an add-on that I got. I did send them an email, and they sent it to me in a separate shipment. And then the second time it happened, it was for an eyeshadow palette from IBY Beauty. I didn't get it, so I sent them an email, and they apologized, and they sent it to me. And I thought that was going to be for this one. I was like, oh my god, I'm just going to get it late. But no, they didn't have it anymore. Whatever. Okay, so I can go on. Okay, so the first thing in my bag is a brush. This one is by It Cosmetics. This is their Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation Brush number 707. This one right here. I've seen this brush before and I wanted to try it for a while, but girl, it ain't cheap. So I was like, nope. So when I saw that I could get it, I got it. And this was another one that I picked. It's really, really soft. It's gonna be really nice. I can't wait to try it out. Okay. The next item in my bag are lashes. These are from Morphe, and these are their Delta. I think that's how you say it, Delta lashes. They're really, really pretty. These to me seem like a simple style, so it would be for a more natural look, and I'm excited to try this out. The next thing, I forgot what was add-ons. I did get some add-ons. Yeah, the lashes were an add-on. Whoops. So that was an add-on. The next thing that I got, and this is one of the things that they picked for me. This is by Beauty Stats, and it's their Universal C Skin Refiner. It brightens, retexturizes, and firms. 20% vitamin C. I'm guessing it's a serum, but this is the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. There's the packaging. I'm pretty sure it's a serum. Smooth over cleansed dry skin, AM and PM. The next thing is, this is another product that they picked for me. This is by Golden Faden MD, and this is their Vital Boost Vitamin D. Oh, it's their Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. Right here. This one has vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. I don't know what that is. It's supposed to hydrate and deliver a brightening glow to all skin types. I really like this brand. It's really, really, really good. And then I also picked this next product. This is a duo set by Farah of their Be Beautiful BU. No, wait. Oh, no, this is the Rendezvous brush set right here. Whenever I can add brushes, girl, I add brushes because they're not cheap. And I am a brush whore. I have a lot of brushes. So this is what they look like. Let me take them out of the packaging real quick. I do have a lot of Farah brushes, and I do get them mostly from Ipsy. Oh. So it doesn't say on. So this is a fluffy highlighting brush. The brush number 628F. Super, super pretty. And then this one is this is a chisel contour, and it's their 610F brush. So I picked this as well. And then the last thing is also an add-on that I got. So the add-ons are usually like $3. Well, they start at $3 and then they go up. And I usually just get the ones that are $3. If I see something that I really like, then I'll go ahead and splurge. But if not, $3 add-ons are where it's at. This is by Mark Anthony True Professional. I didn't know he had a hair product. And this is a hair mask. So I did get that. I'm excited to try it. And yeah, that is it. That is all I got, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to sign up for Ipsy, I do have a link down below, so go ahead and click it so I can get points. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye guys. I love you.